Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix YouTube link thumbnail is not showing on WhatsApp. So let's get started. Here, for example, I'm gonna choose a random video. Now I'm just gonna tap on the share icon and then choose WhatsApp. After that, I'm gonna choose, for example, this one, and then hit share. Now hit send, and as you see here, it comes with a thumbnail. Now in case the thumbnail is not showing, then it might be because there's bugs in either WhatsApp or YouTube. And to fix that, go to your settings. Now scroll all the way down and look for apps option. After that, choose the second option, manage apps. Here, first look for WhatsApp and then tap on clear data, then clear cache. Again, look for YouTube and tap on clear data, then clear cache. And by doing this, it will remove any bugs that might be on WhatsApp or YouTube. And that should fix your problem. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.